The great thing about working with Vancouver general contractors and start doing a renovation through the design build process is that before we start tearing up the walls and ripping open your house, you actually have a really good understanding and a virtual picture of exactly what the finished product is going to look like. So we found that a lot of our clients really enjoyed that aspect of it and were able to make a lot of critical decisions about their design without having to start the construction. So that gives us an ability to show them different options of different spaces so they can visually see what it's going to look like as a finished product, which is something that we really utilized in this home because it's got a lot of very unique features, and there was a lot of walls and railings and everything that we removed. So we wanted to make sure that the client was very happy with what the end result was going to be before we started demolishing everything. When it came down to the kitchen, we picked a horizontal grain on the cabinets for the base cabinets, and the uppers were just solid white. We also implemented some handleless cabinets, which really gave it a lot of clean lines. Some of their biggest requirements was they wanted an open concept and a space where it felt open, that they could see out the different rooms of the house. And the other one was storage, which is always a must-have for almost anybody doing a renovation, is additional storage space. So we came up with a concept and a design that was able to achieve both of those key factors of what they were looking to achieve through the renovation.